Basically, this the same principle applies in the US and in the UK. Actually, there's slightly different ways of pricing those things because the laws are slightly different on both. But basically, the principle is the same, that if you take on an injury case, that actually you, like, the lawyer only gets paid on the basis that they win the case. So they basically, if you win the case, if you lose the case, then basically the client pays nothing, and an insurance policy, we take out an insurance policy as a lawyer which will cover the out-of-pocket expenses. So say, for example, you've had to pay for a medical expert, or you've had to pay for a court hearing or something like that. If you ultimately lose the case, and there will be an insurance policy which covers that. But in the UK, that insurance policy doesn't cover our fees, so we just don't get paid if we lose the case, basically. But if we win the case, then what happens is, in litigation, the kind of the policy is that the losing party pays the winning party's costs. So if we win the case, the opponent will pay our fees, but we're also entitled to what we call a success fee. So we're entitled to take a proportion of the client's damages to basically account for the risk that we've taken, because we've taken a big risk in potentially not getting paid. So what that means is the client, if they win, has to pay a small percentage of their compensation to the lawyer, and that's basically the fee for winning.